Hello, here is the preview video for Wednesday, June 2nd. We're going to begin with math, and it's the first day of road trip math. So if you've ever taken a road trip, that's what this has to do with. So first things first, oh, my computer is slow. From the mountains to the prairies to the oceans white with foam, you're heading on a USA road trip that you'll never forget. Let's start the fun by mapping out where you'll head and how you'll get there. Get ready because it's going to be widely. Click for instructions. So you're going to go to slide 3. Leg 1, pink. Your road trip starts on the west coast in the southwest corner of California. From there, you head northeast for a visit to the northwest corner of Wyoming. So you're going to get this pink. You're going to go here to Wyoming. And you're going to drag it like that. Okay? So that's the first leg. So do you get the idea? You're going to drag and drop these, and this tells you your road trip. Music for miles. Even though you'll be busy stopping along the way for tourist attractions, snacks, and historical markers, you'll need some entertainment. So your mom loaded up your iPad with a few movies and your iPhone with some new jams. Use the information to figure out how many hours and minutes of entertainment you have to occupy your travels. How many minutes and seconds worth of songs do you have? So here are the songs. You have to add those up. How many minutes and seconds worth of movies do you have? So you have to add those up. How many hours and minutes is that equal to? Mom loaded her iPad with 8 hours and 49 minutes worth of songs. Who has more and by how much? So you're going to answer these word problems based on the music. Never getting billboard. Okay, the title's a little silly, and yes, board is spelled board, but billboards keep you occupied for an hour of one leg of your trip. You decided to create a data table of the different types of billboards. So, did you see how many restaurant billboards did you see? And we know that tallies, we have 4 lines and then one across makes 5. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it'll be 18. So you're going to count your tallies. That shouldn't take too long. But now you have to make a bar graph. Now, make sure, as you can see, that you have to label what each thing is. You can move these pieces and make them bigger. You can make numbers here. Okay, you have to label what is on the x-axis, label what's on the y-axis. Okay, and that is your road trip for the first day. Then literacy, we're going to be filming the Wax Museum all day today. And then after snack for writing, we're going to do diversity. Yesterday we did identity. Today we're going to do diversity. And diversity are differences. We don't just tolerate differences, we respect them and we value them. So this is what we're going to do. I like knowing people who are like me and different from me. I treat each person with respect. I want to know more about other people's lives and experiences, and I know how to ask questions respectfully and listen carefully and non-judgmentally. I have accurate, respectful words to describe how I am similar to and different from people who share my identities and those who have other identities. So different is not bad because that can make people feel bad about themselves. So we have different scenarios about Sean, Pavani, Mr. Johnson. What commonalities did you find? And having things in common does not mean being exactly the same. Okay, and we have some different scenarios for that too. Okay, so we have a lot of things to talk about and answer. So we'll do that on Wednesday. So it's a half day, so no science. And we hope you have a lovely afternoon or have fun at course.